His research pointed at one cure, and it was walking around New York in a mask. Peter had been photographing Spider-Man for the papers for years, so Harry asked him to arrange a meeting. Spider-Man came to Harry instead, hoping to let his friend down gently from behind the mask, and Harry begged him to his face, never once knowing he was asking the same man twice, and both of him said no. He had watched Curt Connors put something from those spiders into his own body and come apart, and he was not going to hand Harry the same ending. He was trying to save Harry's life, and it would cost him Harry forever. Harry heard it as betrayal from both halves of the same person. Around the same time, Peter finally got his answer about his father. Aunt May told him the truth about the night his parents left, and Peter went back to the briefcase that had started all of this. It had one secret left in it, a handful of old subway tokens, and they led him down into an abandoned station called Roosevelt, to a hidden laboratory under the city, and to a message his father had left behind for whoever came looking. 2 years earlier, that briefcase had asked a question. This was the answer. Norman had wanted to sell Richard's cross-species research as weapons, and when Richard refused, Norman branded him a traitor. So Richard destroyed the work before he ran. All of it, except one thing he could not destroy, because it was not in a file. He had built the spiders around his own DNA. That research would never work for anybody but a Parker. It is why the same science that turned Curt Connors into the lizard turned Richard's son into Spider-Man. And it is why the cure Harry was tearing his life apart to get would never have saved him. Harry never learned any of that. All he knew was that his body was running out of time, and everyone he had asked for help had turned him away. One person in that building had not turned him away. His assistant Felicia had overheard what the executives kept quiet, that before Oscorp destroyed Richard Parker's spiders, it had drained their venom and stored it in a hidden division called Special Projects. The cure Harry had been begging the whole world for was sitting in his own company's basement. But the moment he went digging for it, the board that had wanted him gone from the day he inherited found its opening.